Hi guys, I'm in the midst of spring cleaning and I'm getting rid of a lot of makeup. I'm either the stuff that still pretty much can be used and needs to find a new home, I'm giving them away. But then there's stuff that's just like I need to say goodbye to them. I'm redoing my room. It was mainly my makeup room, but now I need to kind of redo it. We're going to do some renovation to turn it into my office space so that I can actually work from here. So I really had to downsize everything. My possessions, I already have like 1.5 full trash bags filled up. So I'm splitting this video into 2 parts. I'm gonna talk about the MAC stuff that I'm going to be bringing back to MAC, which is awesome. I wish every brand had that kind of recycling program. 6 empty items, I think you get a free lipstick. So I hope they will accept all these empties that I have. And then I'm gonna do another one which is like for all other products, which I'm just gonna throw away. First up is Fix Plus. This was like a cult favorite. It's meant to, like, you know, be your setting powder after you use it. I like it, but I didn't find that it was like anything much. In fact, I felt that it was a little bit sticky, so I still prefer my Urban Decay product. Not 1, not 2, but 3 empty mineralized skin finish powders. These are all in medium deep. I love this product. It is my setting powder after I put on any cream products like foundation or concealer. I use a fluffy brush on this and I just use it as my setting powder. It is so easy to use because it's not in powder form, and this is just gonna be like, I'm gonna have to repurchase this for the rest of my life because I just love this product so much. Setting powder wise, this is an Empties. This is my Select Sheer Press powder, which is my favorite like powder to just set everything. Probably don't need it after the setting powder, but I just feel like my makeup stays a lot better if I also have pressed powder. A couple of blushes. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is just old, so it has like stuff on it and stuff. So this was in the shade Breezy. Nice shade. Okay, one thing that I realized is when it comes to their limited edition collections, a lot of those products are just, they just don't perform as well as the ones that are in their permanent collection. So I actually have quite a few of like the limited edition stuff, which is very painful because usually you get the limited edition stuff because they have special packaging, they look special, and they probably cost a little bit more because it's, you know, licensed with whoever they are collaborating with. But generally I find that some of the special edition stuff like doesn't perform as well. So this blush, which I was super excited about, is from the Marilyn Monroe collection. It's called the Perfect Cheek. You can barely, like, there's barely any pigmentation. There's like nothing there. So I think even if I'm fairer, like, it just doesn't come out with. So I've given it a lot of chances. It just doesn't perform. This was another one. I don't even know the name of this collection, but it's like it's called Sunday Afternoon. It has like a blush duo here, and then it has a nice highlighter, which is such a nice idea because you can have all those going on in your cheeks with just one product. But after I got through the first layer, I just can't get any more product out. It's just very, very frustrating. I tried and tried and tried, and there's just like almost nothing comes out. The highlighter is okay, but I'm just not gonna keep the whole big product just for the highlighter. And this was another one. Was this? No, this is actually, this was okay. This was like a special edition powder that they came up with. It's called the Mystery Powder. I still don't know what it did, but I used it as my pressed powder. This is another special edition one. This was such a fail. It was from the Cinderella Disney collection when the movie came out, and it's called Pearl Varnish Eye Gloss. So I think the idea is to like take it and then just kind of create some kind of glossy eye, but it was so uncomfortable to wear. Like every time I wore it, and I do try to make these products work, but it's just so sticky. It's like as if you have glue on your eyes, which, you know, it will not stick your eyelids together, but it was just so awful, and it's just so annoying because there's just so much product left. This is an eyebrow pencil. It's called Lingering. It's quite famous, so I decided to try it, but I just didn't really understand how to use it. It's very faint, and it's just not my kind of like product. I need something a lot more sturdier to use on my eyebrows. This is a long wearing lip pencil in the color Bittersweet. Their lip pencils sometimes they don't sharpen very well, and see, I don't even know where that little thing went, and this just didn't sharpen very well. And apparently you can just return the cover and it will still be counted as one item. This was also part of some collection. This is a gold eyeliner. It's called a Fluid Line, and it's in a beautiful shade of Gilt Gourmet. It doesn't work. It's very like, it just didn't work, so it's very annoying. It just like left streaks of gold on my eyes, and I tried to make it work. It looks so pretty in the packaging though. A couple of lip glosses. I'm just getting rid of this because they are old. They look old. It looks like something weird is happening, and I just generally don't use lip glosses. This is a cream sheen glass, which is actually really pretty, but the shade is just too light for me. And then this one, I don't know, I just don't use lip glosses anymore. This is a gorgeous paint pot, right? It's called Dangerous Curve, but every time I use it, it's so sparse, and it has like a weird disbursement that just doesn't make it look very nice. It's very like kind of all over the place and just doesn't really go with my shade of skin. I'm getting rid of it because I'm just not gonna reach out for it anymore, so I'm just gonna say bye bye. It's a clear eyebrow pencil, clear eyebrow mascara, like wand thingy, and it's actually quite good. I did use it up till a lot, but I just don't use this anymore. I actually use something that has a tint in it. But if you're looking for a clear eyebrow gel, this is actually quite good. It's called just Clear Eyebrow Gel. Nothing special to call out, just lots of lipsticks that are old. I think their lipsticks would last about a year or two. Some of these were really nice, but they are not the colors that you see here anymore. They've all been like discolored, but I would recommend their lipsticks any day. They have very good lipsticks. This particular one is a pro long wear lipstick, which is also very comfortable to wear. I do like this color a lot. It's called Soft Shell, not to be confused with a crab. Okay, this was like one of those new products that they've been trying out with, but I hated it. This is the Versi Color Stain in Persevering Passion. It's very drying. It's just not nice. It's just doesn't apply very well, so bye bye. Okay, this little box here, before I finish, can I just say I hate when they come up, or any makeup brands come up with packaging that is that, I call it the NARS rubbery packaging, because NARS always comes out with that, and look what has happened over time. So I would just recommend to stay off any product that has that kind of like rubbery packaging. I hate it so much. These products, some of them are actually okay to still be used. Like this blush is beautiful. It's in a color Hot Nights. I can probably depan them, but honestly I don't have time. I don't know how to, but I can't keep it anymore because it's causing my other products to be affected. And then this blush, which was from some collection, the blush inside, it's still pretty much untouched, but this is another one of those limited edition stuff that nothing, this one I was actually really annoyed with. Like nothing came up, like nothing. It's like, I don't know, like there's like something that they use in the product, especially in terms of the overlay, that it just doesn't allow you to get to the product itself. These are their new, relatively new ones, but the packages don't work. so it's broken here, and this also got broken like on the day itself. So not great packaging. These are the retro matte lipsticks. So why am I getting rid of this one? Oh yeah, this one, okay, I remember now. This particular one, it just broke like that, okay. And then this one, there's some kind of oil that started seeping out of this particular slot here, and it was so gross. So I actually like this color, but generally these ones, the retro matte, they are a little bit drying, so I didn't repurchase them because like I didn't like the formula. They're drying, and they're just not comfortable to wear in like for a couple of hours. Okay, so those are my MAC Empties. I don't know how many I have so far, but I'm just going to put all of these in a nice Ziploc bag and send them back off to MAC. So I hope you guys find it useful. I think the takeaway is they do really good lipsticks, they do really good face products. I never really had any problem with those two products. Stay away from like the limited edition stuff, although I know sometimes it's very tempting. Even I still buy the limited edition stuff because the packaging looks really awesome, but generally I found the products not to be very good at all. And then lastly, just stay away from these rubbery type of packagings because they are friggin' annoying. Okay, so I hope you guys found that useful. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!